lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating this look that I got from one of the YouTubers that I watch. I will link her YouTube description down below. This is her Christmas glam that she created. I absolutely loved it, so I tried to recreate it using some different palettes because I didn't have the exact ones that she had. So if you like this look, then continue watching my video. Okay guys, right here I went in with the Flossy Sunfire palette and I just picked up some of that red shade on a Luxie 229 brush, and I just worked it back and forth in windshield wiper motions and circular motions to make sure to blend out that red shade. I did go back a few times just to build up the color how I wanted it to be. And in this shot I went in with the PUR Midnight Masquerade palette. I picked up the color Sneak Peek on a Luxie 213 brush, and I just really worked that in my crease. I worked it back and forth in windshield wipers and circular motions, and that was a darker color, so I made sure to work it in really good so I wouldn't leave any harsh lines. Just blend it in real good, make sure that you don't have any harsh lines. And then I went into the same palette and I picked up some Mask Off on a flat blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I just worked that into the crease of my eye. I then went into the Alamar palette and I picked up the color Celia. I picked it up on a Alamar brush and just packed that on the middle part of my lid, and it blended into the first shade in my crease a little bit, or the corner of my eye, sorry about that. And then I went into the palette by Colourpop and I picked up Vibra, and I worked that in on a fluffy Alamar brush, and I just worked that in to blend into that shade and just worked it up a little bit. I picked it up with a fluff brush. And then I went in with the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On liner. This is in the shade Black, and I just made sure to get it really close to my lash line and work that on. You could also go in and clean it up with a makeup wipe once you're done. And then in this shot, I just went in with some concealer and worked it in with my beauty blender to make my line sharp. Okay guys, I went ahead and finished up the rest of my face off of camera. I went ahead and baked underneath my eyes with the Colourpop setting powder in the color Banana. And I'm going to just go ahead and finish up my the lower part of my eyes. I'm going to go in with just any black eyeliner will do. I'm going to go in with the black eyeliner and go ahead and put it on my waterline real quick. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M574 pencil brush, and I'm going to get into the Alamar palette, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of this shimmer green. Since I didn't have the matte green to fill that in, I went in with one of the colors from the Colourpop Becky G collection. I'm going to blend that one for the Alamar, and I'm going to blend this shade with it as well. Maybe even a little bit of that one. And then I'm just going to take that right underneath my eye. Okay, now that I have that worked in, I'm going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush and just dust off that setting powder. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of mascara and go ahead and apply that to my bottom lashes. Okay, after I do that, I'm going to take some of the Laura Geller blush. This is in Tropic Hues. I'm just going to apply a little bit to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to take the Becky G Colourpop collection. This is in the highlight-Chisme. And I'm just going to highlight my face real quick with this. I do that, I'm going to take my setting spray and go ahead and set everything into place. And then I'm going to go in with the LA Colors, this is the lip liner in Natural, and I'm just going to line my lips with it. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the Colourpop. This was the I Love Seta E collab, and this is in the shade Curvy. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that recreation of this video. I will link the YouTubers that I got this idea from down in the description box below. She's really amazing. I love all the looks that she does, so make sure you go check her out, subscribe to her channel if you like what you see, and leave her a big thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Thanks guys for watching.